So guys, welcome to another video and another episode today where we are making a delicious simple meal in our homes. And I want to just encourage you to try this recipe because cabbage seems to be a delicacy around this time. Yeah, I don't want to define it too much, but if you're from Kenya, you know that it is time for cabbage. Yes, so I just want to show you how I make an accompaniment, a vegetable dish out of this, and you will love it. Try it and then you show me the results or let me know how it goes. Thank you so much. Let's go into the preparation and then quickly fry it because my dinner is almost late and I need to finish like right now. Thank you so much.
And so before I began cutting it out, I needed to remove these hardcore areas, and we know that they just are used to protect the cabbage from getting damaged from inside, but they are not necessarily that edible because they are very tough. But if you like, you can have them. It's your choice, but make sure you clean them. So here I'm just trying to show you in case you don't know how to quickly cut out a cabbage. This is what you do. If you cut it into quarters, it becomes very manageable and easier to handle as opposed to when it is a half or more than that size. So you keep turning it and making sure that you have a base at the point where you've laid it down. Yeah, and so if you're using your hand, I know we have pros who use hands to cut out. I know you don't need this part of this video. Just hold on and we go to the next part. And this one I'm just cutting out the pieces of the softer outer part that was not joined to the core of the cabbage, so that it can give me that green color, because I don't want my cabbage all white. And you know that when you do this, it gives it a bit of green color. The next thing I did was to grate these carrots, because once you grate the carrots, it'll be easier to incorporate in the cabbage. And there's a technique for grating whereby you make sure you use the medium size. Don't use the very small or big ones, big holes of the grater, so that you are able to obtain sizes that are almost the same size as our cabbage. I love mixing this when it is in this big bowl, because it gives me room to ensure that everything is well mixed. So we move over now to the cooking stage, and this is just a quick combination, but watch out so that you can see how to combine the flavors that are coming from our spices and the ingredients we are using as I listed before. So this is a point where you put in your Royco cubes, especially because we are not using tomatoes and we are not using, you know, like cabbage is not overcooked, so you don't want to put your Royco cube on top of your cabbage, because it will not taste good. It will be raw and people will taste it, and you know there are people who don't love Royco and the taste. It is at this point that I added a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you have fresh turmeric, well and good, add it in and you will be good to go. So it brings out a very nice fragrant, or it's fragrant rather, that's what I want to say. And now it's time to add the mixture of our cabbage and the carrots. And I know that these ones will just immediately just catch that color. I don't even have to overcook them and you see how, just wait and see how they turn out. Of course, I needed to add salt, and you will see me adding salt and then doing the mixture so that I can give it about in less than 5 minutes, but I went to over 7 because, as I told you, we normally cook food which even our toddler eats, and when it is well cooked, she's able to manage it, and we are all happy with it. Yeah, not overcooked, not undercooked, we are happy with 7 minutes are good on medium heat. This is not on high heat. This part of my cooker, this burner gives me medium heat. So enjoy the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. And at this point, I just want to welcome all the new subscribers who have joined this channel. I want to welcome all my new viewers who are watching me for the first time, and in case you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button, and then you will be notified once you click on the bell once I post a video of these simple and lovely recipes that you can have in your lovely homes, and you will be in a place where you are in good hands. Yeah, you're in good hands. So welcome home, and thank you so much for being here. I also want to thank all my super chatters, all my channel members, and encourage you to join my channel membership because you're in for treats. I'm working on very good goodies and packages for my channel members, so please if you're able to join or super chat, or you know what, just watch the ads. These are recently monetized channel and we need to grow, so your support is highly appreciated. And I just look at how our cabbage is. It is sweet. You can even eat it like this with rice. And you know, right now we are eating cabbage, the babies of chicken, because we finished all the chicken over the Christmas and the festivities, you know. And I will be bringing you a recipe soon of how to make those nice babies of the chicken. I mean eggs, in case you don't know what I am saying. So this was ready, and we were about to just eat it, accompanied by that lovely rice you're seeing there. And that is my end dish, and how it ended up was just amazing. Try this recipe, like it, give me a comment after you have tried it, and let me know what was your highlight today. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for watching.